Hello, welcome to Munimade. This is Crafting with Shay. I have the pleasure today of unboxing a brand new kit from Munimade. So this will be a kit preview video. And let's go ahead and look at the details, okay? The name of this painting is called Night Storm Goddess, and it is licensed artwork by the artist Tally Sketch. It is a square for all you square lovers, and it's 76,800 diamonds. The image size is 60 by 80 in centimeters or 23.6 by 31.5 in inches. And there we have the SKU number. This entire thing is a sticker, okay? It's got your labels right here, everything you need. I normally cut this off on the side. Keep this for my logbook because you have your start date, your end date, and all the information. It's got this beautiful, fierce goddess. We'll talk about her in a minute and some little hidden things that I found when I was looking at this earlier. All right, so there are 60 colors. Okay, 60 colors. Now, before we start talking about all the different special drills, these stickers are individually cut. Yep, and you just peel them right off and put them on your storage containers, all right? Again, there's 60 colors. She also gives you some extra labels. I like how she highlights all the special drills. Look at, this thing is chock full of special drills. We have got the ND means shimmer, so that's shimmer drills. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmer drills. And then JS, that is metallic. Yes, there's a metallic in her. And then we have 1, 2, 3 Aurora Borealis, so ABs, okay? It's a special coating they put on there. I am so excited. Munimade is a fellow diamond painter. So of course she always labels 1 as 1, 2 as 2, 3 as 3. Thank you for doing that so it does not confuse us. But again, this entire sheet is a sticker, okay? So this is like, just has a wealth of information. You'll also get, with your painting, this tag, and you can do several things with it. You can wrap it around your painting if it's rolled up. So if you decide to upgrade, you can also get a carrying tube that you can put it on the strap. So yeah, and it's got all the information here. So it's a nice little tag with a little elastic band. Okay, in addition to that, here is, okay, the 60 colors, all right? I pulled out all the special drills so we can go ahead and take a look at that. But let's go ahead and look at the color palette. Lots of dark blues, like navy blues, all different shades of blue. Got some yellow in there, lots of purples. So all you purple lovers, that's a beautiful palette. Now, these drills are individually bagged. See, they're in the little Ziploc baggies, and they are in order. So she even has them labeled here. 1 of 2, and it's got the SKU number. 1 of 2, and then 2 of 2. So you get 2 bags. You can see a lot of these are missing because there's so many special drills, but look at the color palette. But if you want to work straight out of baggies, you can do that with these. You necessarily don't need to kit up into storage containers. You can just work straight out of baggies. So I like how they're individually bagged and in order. Okay, so that's our beautiful color palette. Oh, so I want to see, look at all these beautiful purples and blues. All right, I want to see where all the special drills go. But before we do that, let's just take a little gander, a little looky-loo at this painting. All right, I'll try to get it all in frame because she's a 60 by 80, so I kind of will have to scooch up and down a little bit. But at the top, I like that it's a mixture of color blocking and confetti. When we say color blocking, it's gonna be all the same symbol, so it'll work up pretty quick in those sections, okay? Same with all through this dark blue. It's all gonna be that same symbol, okay, all through here. And I just wanna take a look at her, see her. Okay, so I saw that she's holding a lightning bolt right here in her hand. Okay, she's got the moon right here. I love her cloud afro. I love her cloud hair. It's so cool. She's got this beautiful like bra, kind of like and you can see right here, it's like the sheer skirt in here. Now, if you look really close, you can see the constellations in her skirt. I see one here. There's one here. Here, they're kind of hidden, and they're in her hair as well. See that? See the white in her hair? Yep, they're right here. You can see them kind of highlight. I didn't see them at first. And of course, you've got her beautiful wings. I love her gold, her wristbands. And you've got this rainbow like behind her. So cool. I love her so much. She is really, like I said, fierce is like the first word that comes to mind when I look at this. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look and see where all these special drills go, okay? I'm gonna start from the bottom. So the very first one is 5200 AB. So it's a little bag. So these are going to be highlighting those constellations in her hair. So it's gonna be in this area, this white here. So those constellations in her hair are going to pop with the white ABs. Yes, that's gonna look So good. I cannot believe how good that's gonna look. I'm so excited. Yeah, so it's gonna be in there. I also see a little bit kind of highlighting this little white in her hair right here, right against that blue. So I do see some there. So yeah, so that's gonna be a white, okay, the white AB. You see the coating on there. All right, the next one is a yellow AB, 3078, really pretty yellow. And that is going to be, where did I see you? Okay, that's going to be in the stars, okay? In the center of these stars right here is all gonna be that yellow AB. And here, and here. Oh, it's gonna look so good. All right, where else do I see it? I saw it highlighted in a couple, oh yeah, down here, this star and this star. Oh, I also see it right here in the yellow constellations, right here in her skirt, kind of like that sheer skirt. It's right here and here. So you're gonna have a little pop of that, and it's right here in this one. Oh, wow, that's gonna look amazing. It doesn't look like there's that many, but I guess there is. Okay, next one is, we have another AB. This is our last AB. The rest is the metallic and the shimmer. So this is 445. So this is more like a pale yellow. This is more of a brighter yellow. See that? All right, so 58. This is gonna be really cool. It's gonna be in the yellow of her ring right here in her band, like her wristbands. I'm not sure what those are called. I also see it here in this star in her dress, this area here. I also see it highlighting some of the yellow right here, kind of on the edge of her skirt here. I do see it in the bottom of her bra, a little bit right here, on this armband. And on her, this kind of like this band on her, like her necklace right here. I see it there. You guys, it's gonna be all in the moon. This entire moon is this yellow. Oh, yes. All right. And I see it in her eyes, the center of her eyes. Let me bring up her eyes, y'all to see. Yep, the yellow in her eyes. So the moon, her eyes. Oh, yes. All right, Munimade, I see you. I see what you're doing here. All right, let's move on to our metallic. This is amazing. Metallic is like my new favorite thing, I have found out. Yes, metallic. So that's going to be the $sign, and it's going to be the orange right here, all the orange you see. So you see a little bit here. Oh, and in her ring, so you're going to have that yellow AB plus the orange metallic. You're going to have it here in her wristband. I do see it here. Again, wherever you see that bright orange. Oh, all through her bra, like in the center here on the straps, the chain of her necklace right here, this band, her hand. Oh my gosh, she is going to look so good. So that is like, it's almost like a copper. Yeah, it's not really an orange. I keep saying orange, but that's just the bottom. The top is actually that copper color. See that? Ooh, yeah, definitely don't want to look at the bottom. Okay, the next color we have is a shimmer. There's not one, but two bags. It's 3865, and it's that kind of that white color. All right. Now, if you're new to what shimmers are, it's like a very, very light coating. The AB is like really, really strong, but this is a subtle coating, kind of just a little dusting of a cover on these. So this is going to be all in the wings. Now, what's going to be really cool about this, when I say the wings, it's not all of the wings, it's the tip of the wings. So this whole area here, all of this, so just the outside of these, all where I'm pointing, it's going to be this, okay? It's also going to be highlighting her arms, kind of that white outline right there, all in the center of her bra. I do see some in her cheeks. Oh, that's right. It's all through here, all this white area, these spikes behind her, all going to be this shimmer. Wow. Okay. And then, of course, the tips of all these wings. And then it is highlighting here, the pleats of her skirt. And it's almost like, you know what it is? It's outlining her legs. Right here, this highlight and this highlight, kind of like the contour of her legs. Everywhere I look, I just keep seeing it. You've got two bags of it, so it is in a lot of places. I'm gonna make sure I'm not missing anything. I'm sure I am, but okay. So the focal point, again, I'll kind of just leave these here so we can kind of see. It's gonna be the outer part of the wings. Now, we have another shimmer. And we have two bags of it. That's $8.19. It's really pretty, pale, kind of pink, very, very pale, light pink. This is going to be in the other part of the wings. And that's what I wanted to show you. So you're going to have this white shimmer, And you're gonna have this lighter kind of peach, kind of like a light, it's a very, I don't want to call it peach. It's like a very, very light rose color. You know, it's gonna just look amazing in these wings. I am so excited. Same thing here. It's gonna be, you're gonna have the white here, and then you're gonna have that pink color, kind of that pale pink down here. And then it'll be, again, all in the inside of her wings. And then you'll have that. Oh, wow. This painting is incredible. I'm so excited about this one. All right, there's more. There's more. All right, now we're gonna look at a blue. It's 796, kind of a blue purple. I'm seeing like more of a purple tint to it when I see the shimmer on there on the top. And that, okay, you guys, it's the blue. It's the blue that you see outlining every single wing. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, so all this blue, all this blue, all this blue. I also see it right here on her shoulders. There's a big patch right here. So she's got it on her shirt too, on her neck right here. I also see a little bit in her hair. I see some, yeah, but it's gonna be mainly all, it's definitely outlining all of these. Oh, wow, okay. And there's one more. Here comes the purple. Here's 208. Now that's definitely purple. So again, this is more of a blue, 796. And this one, where do I see? Okay, I definitely see it's right here. It's kind of a light purple, right? It's kind of outlining right here. Again, kind of highlighting in the contour of her edges. So right here. I don't see any in her face. So there will not be anything highlighting the background, okay? Essentially, you've got the pop of all these special jewels kind of in the forefront. This is kind of the background, I guess, you know, a little bit behind her. You got the stars, which that's part of the background. So, but this one, I do see some here. Oh, okay, here's the rest. Right here, all this purple, all the way down, also right here. Yep, and I see some here. And here, and kind of around her fingers right here. Oh, this is incredible, you guys. I'm telling you what, if you like tally sketch and you want a fierce, like awesome looking like goddess right here, and you like constellation, yeah, this is the one. If you purple, blue, squares, checks all the boxes. So before I leave you guys though, I did want to talk about some optional add-ons that you can do. Now, Munimade, of course, will give you a free toolkit if you choose free toolkit. To save on waste, a lot of us don't need a toolkit, so that's why you have to, you know, check that you want one. And if you do that, she'll send this to you free. It's got everything you need. It's a basic toolkit. It's got the tray, two pots of blue wax, which is not really a basic toolkit. That's awesome. It's got a pen, okay? And what you can also do is if you want to upgrade, which, by the way, is a wonderful way to get a Munimade tray, okay? Ooh, that kind of rhymed. Is you can upgrade your toolkit. Now, with this painting, we did choose white. It will be a lot bigger than this because this is just a little swatch, a sample. It will be a large white tray if you upgrade your toolkit. So you'll get a white Munimade tray, all right? Along with that, you also get this really fun bag of goodies. You get a novelty pen, another diamond painting pen, you get tweezers, random washi tape, you get a cover minder, more wax, you get multi-placers, this really pretty organza bag. So she really loads you up with goodies. And if that wasn't enough, you can also upgrade to, you can also purchase a dust bag, okay? It's a dust cover. It's a very nice fabric dust cover, and it does have the ribbons here. You just kind of pull them, right? This is a wonderful way to store your diamond paintings. Travel with them, put them in a suitcase, anything like that. This is really, really good for, all right? So you can upgrade, and it will be purple. So again, you won't be able to, pick the colors. It will be a purple, large purple dust cover, a dust bag, and then you get the large white tray. And another addition, the last additional add-on that you can choose is a carrying tube, telescoping carrying tube. It does have the Munimade logo right here. It's got the adjustable strap. Just depends on how long you want the strap. Also, it's telescoping. So you just take this off and then you just notch it depending on the size of your painting. And you can put some really big paintings in here. So that's another awesome upgrade, okay? I love mine. All right, guys. You know how this goes, right? If you're hearing the sound of my voice and you see this beautiful, gorgeous Night Storm Goddess painting in front of you, it is available now at munimade.com. Go check it out. Before you head out, Give this video a thumbs up. It really does help her. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. All right. Bye, guys.